Hi everyone. I hope everyone's having a fabulous afternoon. I'm back to work on the 52-week tag challenge. I still have some to catch up on. Let me see here. Yeah, I've got about 4 from the previous weeks. And then the last 2 weeks are Mardi Gras and St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to do Mardi Gras right now, and we'll see if maybe I can do St. Patrick's Day tomorrow. The word is Mardi Gras. The texture is sequins or confetti, and the colors are purple, green, and gold, of course, for Mardi Gras. I have this Glitter Metallics matte stack. It's glitter paper. I'm going to use some of that. And I have my pre-cut tag. I have some sequins. Just so happens they're a Christmas package, but they are sequins, so I can use those. That's interesting. That's stretching. Okay. So I have some green. Ooh my, they're spilling all over. I have some green sequins. I have my little peg stamps for my word for Mardi Gras. And there are no blanks in the pegs. So if you just turn one of the pegs upside down, see this is just a different letter, and I just turn it upside down, and then you can make your words you can make 2 words with a separation. So I have that. I have some actual Mardi Gras beads, yay, and I have some fun purple cardstock, which I'm going to actually cover the tag with this purple cardstock. So I'm going to just get to work in here, and I will be back towards the end to talk to you for a minute and have fun. Hope you enjoy. Okay, everyone. This was just a simple little tag. I'm real pleased with it. Let's see if I can get off some of the little fuzzies. When you cut that eyelash trim, it seems to really make for a mess. I used tacky glue for holding things down because all of these are kind of three-dimensional things. I'm quite sure tacky glue dries clear, so when it dries, it'll be cleared up. Let me bring you in and show it to you a little bit. There we go. Closer up. I'm real pleased with that. This is, I think, week 9. No, Mardi Gras was week 10. So that'll be week 10, my week 10 tag for the 52-week challenge. And I thought I'd end my video with a quote from 1001 Ways to Creativity. You can't wait for inspiration. Sometimes you have to go after it with a club. Jack London. You can't wait for inspiration. Sometimes you have to go after it with a club. Very true. That's a quote by Jack London. And guys, I hope you have a great afternoon. I hope you have some fun. Make some art. Thanks for coming by. Oh, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. And several people have asked me about these Mardi Gras, or not Mardi Gras, peg stamps, and I have put the link in the description box. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.